the year 2019. Miss Department of Education, Eloan, Cebu, the year 2019. Miss Lupo, Philippines, in the year 2023. Miss Cebu Technology University Games, the year 2024. And a candidate for a Miss Consolation in the year 2024. The second chance I am referring to is none other than Miss Sarah Hudson. Now, the third judge was graduated Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Physical Education at Cebu Normal University, Prominence Muslim College, that's 1998. He was a former member and makeup artist of Cebu Normal University, Dance Troupe, and Cebu Normal Kerala. A former faculty member and cultural of St. Mary's Academy in Cebu City from the year 1998 to 2002. Became the Cebu Province teacher in Maya National High School since 2004 at the present, and a school cultural coordinator and dance troupe advisor. Was a member of the Cebu Province Teachers Performing Arts under the control of our SDS Singing Colleague. He attended the following seminars and workshops: Sanay Guru National Seminar Workshop in Baguio City, National Dance Workshop held in Bigat City, Ilocos, Singing Escuela for senior high school teachers and cultural center of the Philippines, regional dance workshops for published and unpublished dances held in Applied Nutrition Center in Cebu City. A facilitator and demonstrator of the Cebu Province dance workshops. A lead dancer and a dance master of Haladaya contingent of Municipality of Daan Bantayan in the Pasagabo sa Cebu and the Sinulog Festival Grand Showdown. A trainer and facilitator of Saludo for Cebu Province Delegation since 2004 up to 2018 during the opening ceremony of Sidiraa. A pageant director and choreographer of Mestre Cebu Province held in Carmel, Viva, the year 2015-2016. President of the Cebu Province Division Culture and Arts Company with Ma'am Dinita Harare as the supervisor and our mentor. A senior high school PE teacher who advocate health and wellness and the love of our rich Filipino cultural heritage, and a certified lover of visual and performing arts. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Dio Rosel Aton III.
Maraming salamat, Sir Robert.